Hi, dear children. Welcome back to our biology class. I believe that all of you studied the previous topics very well. Today, we are going to discuss about the adolescence, a special phase in life. Okay, children, let's start our class. Children, observe this illustration. This shows the different stages of growth in human beings. Which are the different stages of growth in human beings? Infancy, childhood, adolescence, adulthood, and old age. Of these, in which stage do you belong to? Yes, you belong to the stage of adolescence. Adolescence is a special phase in life. This is a period of rapid changes from childhood to adulthood. According to the World Health Organization, the adolescence period is from 11 to 19 years. In each individual, the adolescence begins with physical changes. Development of brain, rapid increase in height and weight, and increased efficiency of glands are the significant features of this period. Changes related to adolescence are more rapid in girls than in boys. This is because the parts of brain that controls physical and mental changes develop rapidly in girls. Along with the rapid physical changes, intense mental and emotional changes make adolescence a significant period in one's life. Children, let's look what are the physical changes takes place in adolescence period. In boys, the growth is fast. The growth of sex organs increases. The hair grows in various parts of the body like pubic region, armpits, face, chest. Pitch of the voice deepens and the glands in the skin become more active. The shoulder bones expand. Ejaculation starts. The ejaculation means the action of ejecting semen from the body. In girls, also the growth rate is very fast. The growth of sex organs also increases. Hair grows in the pubic region and the armpits. Pitch of the voice becomes sharp. Glands in the skin become more active. Breast develops. Hip bones widen. Menstruation starts. These are the physical changes occur in boys and girls in the period of adolescence. Okay, children, then let's look the adolescence and food. The proper nutrition is necessary for rapid growth. Anemia. It is a condition caused either by reduction in the number of red blood corpuscles in blood or by the deficiency of hemoglobin, the pigment in red blood corpuscles. When anemic, blood loses its capacity to carry oxygen and the person feels weak and exhausted. It also causes loss of memory and concentration as anemia affects brain's efficiency. The deficiency of iron in the body is one of the causes of anemia. It can be remedied by including iron-rich food items in the diet. Though iron tablets may be used as an immediate solution. Next, we will discuss certain tips in food habits for adolescents. The first one, breakfast is very important. Do not skip it during busy schedule. Have right quantity of food at the right time. Choose a diet that includes fruits, vegetables and pulses. Reduce the intake of fried food items. Use sugar and salt in limited quantities. Do not be habituated to bottled drinks, packet food, and fast foods. Remember that chocolate, sweets, and ice creams are not good for health. Keep in mind that excessive likes and dislikes of food items will adversely affect health. Develop the habit of using seasonal leafy vegetables and fruits available in the locality. Next, we have to discuss about Adolescence, a period of challenges. Rapid changes in the development of the brain and in the production of hormones during adolescence cause mental and emotional disturbances. The adolescent loses the consideration and freedom of a child, which he or she used to enjoy. A lack of awareness about one's personality during this period leads to immature decision making. As a result, an adolescent may fall prey to evil influences such as imitation tendency, bad friendship, and bad habits, misuse of mobile phones and internet, etc. It is essential to overcome these challenges and keep away from exploitations and temptations. In short, your ability to say no to whoever approaches you with wrong intentions will protect you from dangers. Adolescents are very conscious about their body. They mistake external appearances for personality. This makes them use synthetic cosmetics, change their food habits, and follow unscientific exercises. It may cause severe health problems. The eating disorder known as anorexia is an example. Regular skipping of food with an intention to make the body slim may cause an aversion to food, which is called anorexia. Aversion means disliking. So the intense disliking of food leads to anorexia. These are bad habits we become addicted to. Used initially out of curiosity or under the influence of friends, they subdue us psychologically and we cannot escape even if we desire to do so. Tobacco contains more than 7,000 chemicals such as nicotine, benzene, etc. About 70 of these chemicals are carcinogens. Smoking reduces the diameter of blood capillaries and prevents the diffusion of oxygen into the tissues. Smoking and the use of tobacco products are the main causes of cancer in the mouth, lungs, throat, esophagus, etc. We have around us a lot of possibilities for personality development. Participate in collective efforts in and outside the school that help us nurture our talents and also develop and promote service mentality, leadership, and discipline. Adolescence is a period of possibilities. We have around us many possibilities to develop as good individuals by overcoming challenges. We can create a better tomorrow if we judiciously make use of today's possibilities. Okay, children, let's wind up our today's class. I hope all of you understood about today's topics. Study well. See you in the next class. Thank you.